This is about first chapter of cost auditing for CMA examination, CMA final, paper 19. Cost auditing is permitted under section 148 of Companies Act under 2013. That is defined as audit of item by cost. Auditors are appointed, financial auditors are appointed under section 139. They are not permitted to perform cost audit. Every cost auditor should submit cost audit report within 30 days. Is it clear? Then major forms. Form CRA 1, in which cost record shall be maintained by the cost auditor. CRA 2, forms of information of appointment of cost auditors. CRA 3, form of cost audit reports. CRA 4, form for filing cost audit report by a cost auditor. Next important section is tenure of cost auditor. Cost auditor appointed shall continue in such capacity till expiry of 182 days. Filling of casual vacancy of cost auditors to be filled within 30 days by the board of directors. There are some major equations which are useful. You have to by heart all these equations are formats to do problems. We are going directly to problems, practical problems. Please note down. First is operating profit. Operating profit is equal to net sales minus cost of sales excluding depreciation and interest. Please note down the cost of sales, the components of cost of sales. They are raw materials, direct wages, power and fuel, storage spares, factory overhead, admin overhead, selling overhead, and bonus and gratuity. Next equation is value addition. Value addition is net sales minus cost of production. Cost of production includes cost of raw material, cost of power, fuel, overhead, etc. Please note down this format for value addition problem solving. Next is calculation of distribution of earnings. This is calculated from value added. This is the format for reconciliation of cost account with financial account. Okay, we can go directly through the problems now.